Can move here. Yeah, the environment is quite serene. Are you hearing background noises?
how to break barriers in crypto payments. And we would like to hear from Bonaventure to talk about the project's vision for the future. And during today's session, we will also give away a lot of crypto boxes. So, friends, be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to comment your questions so that our speaker can also answer it. And we're going to walking through Mars' approach to encrypt payments and its future plans in the crypto space, as well as MIRO's creating waves with its decentralized payment solutions. And we are here to explore all the details with the community manager at MIRO, and his name is Bonaventure. Before we begin, friends, don't forget help us to follow and like our MIRO Pay on X. So be sure to help us to repost this announcement that we are going to share our screen with everyone. Help us to repost it. And so, well, first question over here, we would like to invite Bonaventure. Thank you for joining us today. And let's get started from an introduction from you. Could you please tell us, briefly introduce yourself and share Myra's vision for the market? What makes Myra approach to encrypt payment different? Thank you.
Yeah, hello guys, GM. I'm super excited to be in your midst. And my name is Bonaventure. And today, our topic of our discussion will be centered around MIRO. And yeah, we're really doing great things at MIRO and we're building something big. And we would want you all to be part of what we're doing. And so when it comes to MIRO, I see MIRO as a next generation crypto payments infrastructure. Yeah. And we have built this project on the Bitcoin ecosystem. And when I say next generation crypto payment infrastructure, is because we have built MIRO to be a tool to enhance the accessibility and the usability of digital payments. So with MIRO, you can be able to make digital payments seamlessly. If you have any payment, you can incorporate it into your business, into your dealings, and with our technology, with what we are bringing on board, you can easily make digital payments using cryptocurrency. And one good thing about MIRO is that we have positioned as a layer 2 solution. And that's because we have integrated cutting edge technologies. We have AI and we also have zero knowledge proofs, which has helped us create a seamless and also an intelligent, secure payment ecosystem. Yes. And we also have a vision which we are working with. And our vision is to bridge crypto payments with the $1 trillion consumer market. And with this, we can be able to drive mainstream adoption and we can elevate the payment experience to a new era. And as we know it, we have difficulties. So many people, individuals, organizations, businesses are facing so much difficulties when it comes to incorporating crypto payments into their business, into their organizations, into the daily running of their business activities. And that is what MIRO is here to do. We are here to alleviate that stress. We are here to bridge the gap between the consumer and the crypto ecosystem. Thank you very much.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Bonaventure, for letting us know about let MIRO's focus on providing secure, scalable solutions for encrypt payments, and also the market-oriented approach really set MIRO apart from other projects in the space. And once again, we would like to welcome all of our audience joining today's MA session. Right now, I said we have over 5,500 views right here. Thank you so much, and friends, don't forget to claim your crypto airdrop, and it's on the screen. Just simply click on the screen when it's popping up, and then you can get it. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here today. And the next question we'd like to ask Security Manager MIRO Bonaventure is, we would like to talk about MIRO's encrypt payment facilities. Can you explain how MIRO stands out in comparison to other projects in the same space? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. That's a very splendid question, and I'll be happy to give a straightforward answer. Yeah, when it comes to MIRO and our encrypted payment facilities, our infrastructure is centered around the layer 2 Bitcoin payments network. Yeah, for now, we're operating with the layer 2 Bitcoin payment network, and this ensures high interoperability with the BTC chain. And with this, we can be able to offer enhanced scalability and security. So when it comes to our modular and our pluggable architecture, we have developed it in such a way that it enables flexible upgrades. Our architecture, our infrastructure can be easily upgraded to meet daily needs, and be able to solve problems. And this ensures that our system remains adaptable to evolving market needs. So as the market keeps changing, as the market keeps developing, we are also upgrading at our own end. And we have also integrated AI, which allows us to optimize payment pathways. With AI, artificial intelligence, we can optimize payment pathways. We can also automate transactions and also enhance user privacy through the zero knowledge technology. And this helps us ensure that there's compliance with global regulations like the GDPR and the CCPA. And when it comes to users, for users out there, for my beautiful people listening, with MIRO, you can be able to simplify your crypto transactions. And we have done this in such a way that we are making sure, and we have been able to implement seamless payments across various platforms for you, various platforms like retail purchases and e-commerce transactions, and also for businesses, for establishments, for organizations. We have been able to provide an API and SDK tools, and these tools help allow easy integration of crypto payments. So with our API and SDK tools, you can easily integrate crypto payments into your business system, into your business architecture. You can use it for purchases, for the payment of your staffs, workers, and other contracts out there. Yes, we have made this possible for businesses. And we know when it comes to traditional solutions, one good advantage of MIRO is that it fosters an open ecosystem. Yeah, where merchants, developers, and even consumers like you and I can collaborate to expand the payment network. Yeah. So when it comes to MIRO, we have an open ecosystem where your input is needed. The inputs from you as a user, from merchants out there, from even developers. We need your collaboration. We have enabled MIRO to be an open space where your collaboration, where your opinions are all needed to be able to expand and enhance the payment network. And this will help drive continuous growth in the market and in the ecosystem when it comes to crypto. Thank you very much.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Bonaventure, for letting us know about the insight and unique encryption and security measures that you have certainly show us how MIRO can lead the charge in providing a safer, more efficient payment solution compared to other platforms in the Web3 space right now. And I see that we got
Yeah.
more and more friends joining us. I also saw that people started to post in the comments over here, calling MIRO, right? Friends continue to post in the comments, and you will receive more crypto rewards from us. Also, thank you so much, Bonaventure, for joining us and answering questions. So, all the
Yeah,
audience, if you have
thank you.
more questions, feel free to post it in the comments as well. And the next topic we would like to talk about is that we have heard MIRO has launched some exciting applications within your ecosystem. Do you mind to give us an overview of the MIRO application and share your long-term development plans for it? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And I think with MIRO, we are building a very stable ecosystem here. And one good thing we're working on, of which we have already launched, is the M card. Yeah, we have launched what we call the M card. And with the M card is an innovative crypto payment tool that allows you and I to transact with the Bitcoin ecosystem as easily as using a credit card. The M card is the same thing. We can just call it a credit card. And with this simple tool, we can be able to easily transact with BTC. And when it comes to support for global payments, the M card is your go-to partner. When it comes to real-time settlements, you have the M card. And when it comes to low transaction fees, the M card guarantees that. And also with the M card, we have been able to provide a smooth and secure payment experience across several spheres, several sectors, such as the dining, the travel, and even your everyday experience. So whatever you might want to do that involves finances, you have the M card. If you wish to travel, you have the M card. If you wish to go shopping, you have the M card. If you wish to take your family, your friends, your loved ones to a treat, you have the M card. And for any experience, whatever it is, mortgage, anything, you have the M card. And all this can be done with the M card. So, and also to our M card, we have been able to expand our online marketplace. Yeah. And now our online marketplace integrates major e-commerce platforms. We have been able to bring in major e-commerce platforms, which enables users to shop using cryptocurrency. Yeah, you can shop on major e-commerce platforms and pay with crypto. It's as easy as simple with our M card. And this helps preserve transaction privacy through the blockchain technology. Yeah, your privacy is safe, your security is secure. And MIRO is currently enhancing these applications to ensure that crypto payments seamlessly integrate into daily life. Yeah, we want to make sure, or we're even making sure that payments are seamless, are easy, no hitches, stress free, and we are able to integrate them into our daily lives. Whatever you want to do, you can make you can make do with crypto payments. If you want to go out, get something out there, get a treat, buy pizza, get anything, you can do so while paying with crypto seamlessly. And this also makes digital assets more practical and functional beyond investment purpose. So your digital assets like your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or any other Litecoins, it makes it more practical. You don't just need to invest, you can also spend these assets. So beyond the investments, you get to spend these assets, you get to use it to solve your needs, you get to use it to solve your problem. And that is what MIRO is building using our M card. Thank you very much.
That is perfect. Thank you so much for sharing the information with us, Bonaventure. And of course, I believe our audience are also excited to learn about it. So I'm going to guess what, everyone? I'm dropping another round of crypto box rent over here. So if you want to get more, be sure to stay here and learn about MyRo Pay. They are doing amazing things. And well, also previously that we asked Bonaventure regarding the long-term development plans, right? And that's definitely sounds like a solid roadmap. So it's very exciting to see how MIRO app system is designed with both short-term and long-term growth in mind. That would make our users have a reliable and continuously evolving platform to use. Thank you so much for sharing that. While we are getting close to 6,000 live views, everyone, if you have any questions, feel free to share in the comment as well. And we're going to bring the question to the project team, and then they will be able to answer you. Also, don't forget to go to X and help us to like and repost these announcement. Also, follow MiroPay so you won't miss their future information that they share with us. The next question we have over here for the company manager from MiroPay is, let's talk about the MIRO token. Can you explain the role of the MIRO token within the ecosystem and how its value is supported over time? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's a wonderful question, and I'm happy to shed more light on the role of the MIRO token in the ecosystem. And when it comes to MIRO tokens, it's not just a token. I see the MIRO token as something much more. And the MIRO token is integral to our ecosystem because it serves as both an incentive mechanism and also a functional payment utility. Yes, with the MIRO token, you can be able to earn incentives. It can be used as an incentive, as a reward to our customers, our users, people out there. And also with this same MIRO token, it can be used as a functional payment utility. It has its value. You can use it to pay for anything you want. And when it comes to users like you and I, and also merchants who engage with our services, with MIRO services, we all get rewarded with our tokens. Yes. And with this, we can be able to help drive adoption and participation in the crypto and the Web3 ecosystem. And also beyond rewards, let's take a step back from rewards. Eh? Rewards are essential, yes, but beyond rewards, the MIRO tokens are also required for transaction fees. Yeah, you can use our tokens for your transaction fees. You can also use our tokens for premium services and also for platform usage. If you have services out there, maybe a hotel you want to pay for, an Airbnb, whatever, our MIRO tokens can be used for these services. Or if you're on the platform, you want to purchase something online, you want to pay for some hosting, anything on site, our tokens can also be used for activities such as this. And this helps ensure sustained demand. And when it comes to reinforcing our token value, MIRO implements deflationary measures such as the buyback and token bonds, coupled with the ongoing ecosystem expansion. Yeah, and with this, when it comes to the devaluing of our currency, we have put measures in place to show that our token still retains its value. And instead of depreciating, it keeps appreciating in value and it keeps serving thousands and millions of users out there, not just users, but also merchants, businesses, and in foresight, governments. And with this strategic backing and growing adoption, our tokens form a foundation of a thriving, value-driven financial system. Yes, well, one of our major interests is to make sure there's a growing adoption in crypto payments, cryptocurrency payments. Yes, and with our tokens, we are able to achieve that because we're able to form a foundation of something that is thriving, and not just thriving, it has value and it adds so much positive impact to the financial ecosystem. Thank you very much.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for letting us know about that. And I also like to change our screen sharing over here because I saw that our AMA session is being featured on the front page of Binance Life. I definitely wanted to let everyone to take a look of it over here. So, friends, if you go to Binance.com and find the live session, you are going to see our event banner is being featured on the top over here, exactly on the front page of Binance Life. And here it says, we are talking about breaking barriers in crypto payments, and we are learning from MIRO to know about their vision for the future. Over here, we have Bonaventure. He's a company manager at MIRO or MIRO Pay. And friends, you can easily find their official handle on X or Twitter by searching MIRO_pay, which is MIRO_pay. Yes, MIRO Pay. And this is a project that we are focusing about. So we have been talking regarding the vision of the project. We talk about the incurred payments and what's the difference compare MIRO with other project. Also discuss about MIRO's short-term goal and long-term development plans, and also talk about the large-scale adoption. Right. So, well, we also wanted to talk about our next topic over here. Well, so we remember that Trump, right, recently went from calling Bitcoin a scam to putting strategic reserves. So reserves. And so, what do you think is the motivation behind Trump's change of stance? Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. We're all aware of what the U.S. president is doing out there
Yes.
with recent adoption in cryptocurrency. And when it comes to the recent shifts in the regulatory and the political landscape, such as the policy changes supporting crypto adoption, I think this signals a turning point for the industry. Yes. But when it comes to increasing institutional interest, we see big institutions out there, we see governments out there, we see large establishment out there. They have begun taking an interest, they have begun exploring crypto reserves. And this shows one thing, that the global financial ecosystem is evolving. Yeah. And we, MIRO, have strategically positioned to capitalize on this momentum. A few years back, during President Trump's first tenure as the US president, we saw that he was very much against crypto and different policies. But as of sudden, as he came back for his second term, there is a radical change, more like a 360-degree shift. And I believe I believe that's because he has seen the importance and the strategic need for cryptocurrency, for crypto payments. And with crypto payments, we are able to grow our economies, we are able to improve our daily lives, and we are able to pull out so many people from poverty, especially in third world countries. All these are possible with crypto, and MIRO has positioned to see that this dream comes true, to see that this becomes a reality. And now, when it comes to our commitment to building a resilient and a scalable crypto payment network, we are reinforcing this on a daily basis. And as acceptance grows, as acceptance to crypto grows, as acceptance to the different tokens, the Bitcoin, the MIRO token, the Ethereum, the Solana, as acceptance grows, we in MIRO will continue driving innovation, and we will keep ensuring that digital assets transition from speculative investments to practical financial tools that power everyday transactions. So we are making sure that when it comes to digital assets, they won't just be something of a speculation, something that we just want to use, maybe we want to use to get our hopes up, but want to make sure that digital assets become very practical. They become a practical investment, a practical financial tool, and we can employ this in our everyday transactions. That is what MIRO is building, and that is what we are looking forward to. So when it comes to the overall acceptance, the overall adoption of cryptocurrency and crypto payments, yes, there's something huge coming, and we believe that the crypto world has not even been explored. There's so much possibilities. There's so much benefits when it comes to cryptocurrencies. There's so much growth out there, and I believe this is why many nations are taking a turn, including the US, including El Salvador, different countries, Germany, because they see that the future will be complete without crypto. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and that's well said. Yeah, definitely glad to hear that you are breaking down this topic on venture, and it's assuring to hear that. Well, to also fascinating to consider how influential figures are beginning to embrace the crypto space, right? This kind of change could have a huge impact on both policy and public perception as well. And I'm sure it will be interesting to watch what happens next. And I saw that we probably missed one of the discussion topics that we plan to talk about, which is the question number 4. Talking about one of the biggest challenges in the income payment field is large scale adoption or mass adoption. So, Bonaventure, what do you think are the primary obstacles and how does Myra plan to overcome them and become a game changer? So, that was originally our question number 4, but we actually skipped it.
Yeah, it's really a challenge here, and we are doing something. We are taking active measures to see that there will be a mass adoption, because we come to find ourselves in times whereby even with the growing interest in crypto payments, even with the growing adoption, still mainstream adoption has been hindered. We find ourselves in times whereby there are millions of people out here who don't know about crypto, or maybe they have some basic knowledge about crypto, but they are not encouraged to come into this sphere, to come into this space, because they might feel it's so complex, they might feel it's volatile, they might feel it's not for them. Yes, and this and so many reasons has hindered the mainstream adoption. Yeah, when it comes to lack of merchant support, and also when it comes to volatility concerns, these are two major issues that have hindered mainstream adoption of crypto. And I made mention of complexity, where people feel crypto is a very complex thing, where people feel integrating crypto payments in their daily lives, in their businesses, is complex. Yeah, and this has been a tool of discouragement. And when MIRO comes in this, is that we have addressed these challenges by simplifying the user experience. Yes, and we have also eliminated the need for technical knowledge. With MIRO, it's very simple. Even a 10-year-old child can use our crypto payment facilities and systems. Our user experience is that simple. It's not complex. Anybody can get used to it within a couple of days, hours. It's easy. That's how easy we have addressed these challenges. Yes. And also, we have also ensured that transactions feel as intuitive as traditional digital payments. So, how we make payments using digital infrastructures like our banks, our credit card, we have ensured that transactions feel as easy as that. And when it comes to our instant settlement mechanism, we have been able to use our instant settlement mechanism to mitigate price fluctuations. And we have also provided stability for merchants using this means. Yeah. And furthermore, we are pioneering PayFi solutions. Yeah, we are trying to merge decentralized finance. This is something I've not really talked about, but this should be the first time I'm saying it. MIRO is pioneering PayFi solutions, and we are doing this by merging decentralized finance, which is DeFi, with payments. And this will enable you and I to leverage our crypto assets while making transactions. Yes, with this now, we can be able to use our crypto assets to make transactions, because we have merged the DeFi with payments and payments infrastructure. So in case you don't have the traditional fiat, you don't have cash, be it digital cash in your accounts, you can be able to use your digital assets, your crypto assets, to facilitate and make transactions. And also, we have something, we are introducing the MIRO Bank. Yes, we're introducing the MIRO Bank and other ecosystem developments. And with this, we aim to revolutionize the financial landscape, and we also aim to make crypto payments as seamless and reliable as traditional banking. So we are making sure that with crypto payments, it's so easy out there. It's so reliable out there. There are no hitches. There are no slow transactions. There are no bulky or large transaction fees. There's ease. There's flow. Everything has been simplified with Miro. And this is what we are currently working and we have developed. Thank you very much.
Got it. Thank you so much, Bonaventure, for sharing the information with us. And we certainly very glad to learn more about the project, especially the points that you are sharing with us. It's clear that while there are challenges, we could see Myra has an innovative approach, and that will make it easier for users to adapt in crypto payments. Also, the strategies that Myra has overcome these barriers are definitely game changing. And before we wrap our session, I would like to double check with Bonaventure. Do you have any additional information that you would like to share with us or share with our audience over here? So far, I saw that we have 6,000 like views, which is quite well. And if you wanted to let everyone know about any additional information, just feel free to share it right now. Thank you.
Yes, yes. From time to time, we will keep dishing out so many developments, so many incentives for our users out there, for people that interact with what we're building, that interact with our tokens, that use our tokens. And we also urge you all to follow us. You can follow our official site, myropay.io. You can follow us on Twitter. You can follow us on Telegram. Yes, we are out there, and with this, you can be getting first-hand information from our official channels. And we also urge you guys to use our products, call more people in. We are building something big, and we have made sure to include you all in it.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for letting us know about all the detailed information. Thank you so much, Bonaventure, for joining us today and sharing your knowledge about Myers Encrypt payment solutions, the future of crypto. It's definitely been a fantastic discussion, and I'm sure our 6,000 audience now has much better understanding of Myers' mission and the exciting road ahead. So for everyone who are watching here, don't forget to keep an eye on Myra as they continue to innovate and shape the future of encrypt payments. A special shout out to all of our audience who joined us today. And if you have more questions, feel free to reach out to Myro on their X, which is Myro underscore pay, MIRO underscore PAY, Myro pay, or Myro. You can easily find them. And don't forget to keep an eye on Myro as they continue to innovate and shape the future of encrypt payment. So once again, if you have more questions, feel free to reach out to Lynn and stay tuned for more updates from Myra. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Bonaventure. Thank you, all of
Yeah,
our
thank
audience on
you,
Binance
thank you,
Live.
thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a
See,
splendid week. Bye.
thank you. Bye. I'm going to, yeah, close our space over here. I'm going to share some music.